Since the independence, the Supreme Court has acted as the preserver, guardian of the Constitution, democracy, and the constitutionalism. Starting from the Shah Bano case, where the Supreme Court has given the right to maintenance to the divorced woman, to declaring the triple talaq as unconstitutional. From giving the Hindu woman the right to be the karta of the joint Hindu family, to allowing the women's access in the temples, the Supreme Court has came a long way. From declaring the right to food as a fundamental right to shelter as a fundamental right, even right to sleep as a fundamental right, the Supreme Court has been the guardian of the individual integrity. From not only Supreme Court has guarded the integrity, the Constitution, but also has guarded the democracy of this country. This is the judiciary, this is the Allahabad High Court, which has declared the election of the Prime Minister as invalid. This is the power of judiciary which we have seen. This is the judiciary which we have experienced. But, ये सच है कि माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के फैसले से देश की परिस्थितियां बदली हैं, पर यह भी सच है कि देश की परिस्थितियों से माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के फैसले भी बदले हैं. For example, K.S. Swamy case, where the right to privacy was declared as a fundamental right, but before to it, it was not a fundamental right. And the question must be arise that why before K.S. Swamy was not a fundamental right declared by Supreme Court? Because the breach of privacy was not there. The technological advancement was not there. But due to the lapse of time, the increasing technology has forced the Supreme Court to make the right to privacy as a fundamental right. The Supreme Court has been infallible in many of the cases. In the Shantini Prasad, in the Sajjan Singh case, the Supreme Court has declared to amend any part of the Constitution. But it has corrected it in infallibility. In the coming of the Keshav Bharti case, the basic structure doctrine has came out. So this is the Supreme Court we have witnessed. DPSP. The Supreme Court has initial decisions in the Kameshwari Prasad case gave the importance to DPSP over fundamental rights. But the Read Kerala Education Bill, the concept of harmonious construction came. The infallibility was corrected. We are the law students. This is the constitutional history of India. But at the present moment also there are two issues that the Supreme Court is dealing with. First is the listing of cases and second is the appointment of judges. Once I asked my professor that how it happens that some cases which are very much highlighted have the hearing in 1 or 2 days and some cases are pending for years. Why such situation comes? There are two reasons for that. First, the eminent necessity to hear the case, and second is the approach of advocates. The approach of advocates. This is the bare truth. This is argued that the advocates who have the power, the approach, get their listing of the cases earlier. This is the problem the Supreme Court has to deal with, because there is no formal procedure for the listing of cases. Second is the appointment of judges. The inject was declared as unconstitutional because it was violating the principle of independence of the judiciary. But you have to see that the common person, when a grounded person, when a villager, when a student sees the concept that the judge is appointing the judge, it seems to be very undemocratic. We know that the person who has been appointed as the judge is the academician, is the is a great lawyer. He is qualified to be the judge who is being appointed as by the collegium. But when a common person look at this procedure, it seems to be very undemocratic. So the Supreme Court has to evolve a procedure where the independence of the judiciary can be saved, as well as the appointment of the judges should be looked democratic. So at the last, we have to come to the conclusion that every person of the citizen of this country has the belief that if the executive is not going to listen to them, if the legislature is going to make some arbitrary law, there is Supreme Court which is residing and will safeguard its right, its integrity, its freedom. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.